Hello guys, welcome to MAT 150 fully online class in the winter 2026 semester. So in this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to our Brightspace course, as well as the course-related contents. So first of all, you log on to Brightspace and click on our course. And there's a brief introduction about myself on the announcement section. And so basically, first of all, let's go over the syllabus. So click on syllabus, textbook, and then the formula sheet. So first of all, click on the course syllabus. And this is a PDF file. You can download that. So I'm going to download this really quickly. And open it. Let's go through all the important information from the syllabus. So this is MAT 150 section Z053, Intro to Statistics. It's fully online class in the winter 2026 semester. Adam Lee, that's my name, and then my email address. So if you have any questions throughout the winter section, you can always send me an email. I will get back to you within 24 hours. Course information, this is winter 2026 semester, Intro to Stats, has 4 credits. And there's a mandatory course material, and we are using an online homework platform called Lumen. So basically, you need a course ID, right? So 96000, and then no enrollment key needed. Okay, so you can copy this, and what you can do is click on this. I'm gonna close out this. Click on this Lumen and log out. And the enrollment process is very straightforward. So you just click on enroll in a new course, and then paste the course ID 96000, and click on enroll. And you should see this MAT 150 section Z053 fully online class, winter 2026. Teacher's name is my name, so everything matches. So that means you have the right course. And then click on enroll. And now most of you guys probably don't have a Lumen homework platform account yet. Then you can click on sign up right here. Put in username, whatever username you like to use. Create a password, confirm password, put in first name, last name, and then email address. You can use your own personal email address. And once you fill in all this information, check both boxes here and click on submit, and your account will be created. So it's very straightforward. Once you create it, you can log into our homework platform. Go back to home, and you will see our course here. So all the homework, quizzes, midterm, and final will be posted here. All of them are available. I create all of them already. And then under each assignment has a due date, right? So the winter semester starts on January 2nd. So you have an orientation homework. You can click on it, and you can start on the homework. You will see all these questions here. And so some of the questions may need a calculator. That's an embedded calculator. And it's pretty powerful scientific calculator. You can use it for the whole semester. So that's basically what a homework looks like. And then typically you can try at least about 10 times, right, for all the homework assignments, and then the highest score will be counted. Okay. So all this homework. And then starting in chapter 1, you're going to have a quiz. And so the quiz is based on homework. And you have 3 trials on the quiz. And again, the highest score will be counted towards your quiz grade. And then once you complete the first 5 chapters, and again, there's a due date on each assignment as well as a quiz. They usually are due on the same date. And then there's a practice midterm, right? So if you want to do well on a midterm, you can go over the practice midterm. And After that, you work on the actual midterm. And the due date for the midterm is January 13th by the end of the day. You're allowed to take midterm 2 times. Higher score will be counted towards the final course grade. And then the second part of the semester will be from chapter 6 all the way to chapter 10. There are only 4 chapters. And then you take the final exam on January 23rd. That will be the last day of the winter section. And that's pretty much the homework platform. And then if you look at it, the homework platform, this is open source. So it means it's free for all of you guys. So you don't have to pay for it. And you also need a scientific calculator. And then there's embedded one in the homework platform. You can use it for all the quizzes, homework, midterm, and finals. Yeah, if you guys know how to use Microsoft Excel, you can also use Microsoft Excel to tackle the homework problems. I recommend a textbook called Essential Statistics 5th Edition by Mario Triola. And again, this is optional, but I post a PDF file of the textbook in our Brightspace course. You can click on it right below the syllabus. That's the PDF file of the textbook. If you like to read the textbook, feel free to read through this. Right? It's a PDF file. You can read it at your convenience. I also post a formula sheet. You can use some of the formulas from the formula sheet as well as tables. And you can also use it for all the quizzes, midterm, and finals. Right? It's organized by the chapters. It's pretty comprehensive. And that's pretty much. And then grade distributions, homework assignments is for 40%. That covers about 11 chapters of the homework. Quizzes, there's about 11 or 12 quizzes, right? And the total is 20%. Midterm is worth 20%, and final is worth 20%. And then this course will cover the basic probability theories and the random variables, binomial distribution, normal distribution, measure of central tendency and dispersion, sampling distribution, estimation theory with the confidence intervals, correlation regression, and hypothesis testing. Those are the major topics. If you are a student with a disability, you should contact the Office of Service for Students with a Disability in the main campus and ask them to send me an email, and I will provide a proper accommodation for you. And policy on plagiarism, academic integrity. So there's no project in our course. You just need to work on the quizzes, midterm, and final by yourself. You cannot seek outside help. You can get some help with your homework assignments, but for all the quizzes and exams, you need to complete them independently using the formula sheet and then calculator. And we'll cover the following topics: Chapter 1, Introduction to Stats; Chapter 2, Organizing and Analyzing Data; Chapter 3, Measure of the Center and Aberrations; Chapter 4, Probability; Chapter 5, Discrete Probability Distribution; Chapter 6, Normal Distribution and Central Limit Theorem; Chapter 7, Confidence Intervals; Chapter 8, Hypothesis Testing; and Chapter 10, Regression and Correlation. And then you need to contact MATLAB for the tutoring service if you need help. Right? I think they offer free tutoring service, probably in the winter section. Double check with them. And you should also complete your homework, quizzes, and exams on time. And please email me if you have any question or encounter any difficulty. And since this is a fully online class, we do not have a weekly meetings. Right? And that's basically the first important ingredient in our Brightspace course. And also, the second link here, I created homework link. If you just click on this Luma homework platform, it will take you to our homework platform. Also, you can go to Google and type in Lumen OHM. And then it also take you to our home platform. Just click on it and then put in your username and password, and you get to our home website. So it's very user friendly. Like our home assistant, it's very, very straightforward and no learning curves. Also, I create this course guide. And so it's kind of like documents guide you through the entire winter section. You download the file. It basically shows you. It's kind of like a summary page for each chapter and also the due date. And also I embedded the home website here as well. But if you follow the in our Lumen home platform, the due date is also there as well. So you won't miss it, right? So keep close contact with the home platform and make sure you complete all the assignments on time. And also I create a whole bunch of the PowerPoint and also the recorded lecture videos for you to study. So on a weekly basis, so basically starting on January 2nd, you should log into a Brightspace course, open a PowerPoint, right? And download the PowerPoint, go through the content. I also recorded the video for each PowerPoint, and it will be useful for you guys to learn the content and also all these important topics. Or I also explain some of the problems in these lecture videos. So on a weekly basis, you log into our Brightspace course. Because winter is very short, so it's only have like 3 weeks. So every week there's 11 chapters on average. Every week you need to complete about 4 chapters. So go over this and then go on to the homework platform, complete the homework problems, and also complete the quizzes. If you understand everything in the lecture PowerPoint and also lecture videos, then you're ready to complete the homework assignments and the quizzes. And so this is like central place for you to learn, right? And then basically every single video is posted here. So again, this is the winter section is pretty short and intensive. So you can start working on this, all these assignments, and then if you have any question, again, feel free to email me, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. I hope you enjoyed the class.